Assuming both the voltage sources are in phase, the value of R for which maximum power is transferred from circuit A to circuit B is. The options are 0.8 ohm, 1.4 ohm, 2 ohm, 2.8 ohm. Okay, what is he giving? He has given a circuit and he is asking for maximum power transfer from A to B. What is the value of this resistance R? Okay, let us find out. What is the current that is moving from here to here? Can you say? Yes. Why can we say? Because this is 10 volt and we can assume this as 0 volt. And how much can we say this? This is 3 volt. Therefore, what is I? The current going, I will call it as I. I'll write by the side of this. I is equal to 10 minus 3 by 2 plus R. This is 7 by R plus 2. This is the current. Okay. Now, what is the power absorbed by the circuit B? That is power absorbed by R, power absorbed by capacitor plus power absorbed by the voltage source. Power absorbed by resistor is power absorbed by circuit B by B. I'll write is equal to how much? Power absorbed by resistor plus power absorbed by capacitor plus power absorbed by voltage source. What is power absorbed by R? It is I square into R. And what is power absorbed by C? I square into R. That is Z minus J omega. Minus J into 1. That is minus J. Plus power absorbed by voltage source is V into I. Voltage is 3. Into what is the current that is flowing here? The current that is flowing here is what we want. Okay. I is coming here. What is the current flowing inside this? The current flowing inside this is voltage by resistance. 3 by minus J. Okay. V by R. And the current flowing inside this is how much? That is this current. Is how much? I minus 3 by minus J. Okay. Therefore, V into I. I is I minus 3 by minus J. You understood how I am doing? Current is I is 10 minus 3 by 2 plus R. That I found as 7 by 2 plus R. That is the current. Power absorbed by resistor is I square into R. I square into R. And by capacitor I square into minus J plus 3 into I minus 3 by minus J. That is the power by this one. The current, how much it is passing? 3 by minus J, right, through the capacitor. Therefore, this I square, I capacitor square into R. Okay. Now, what is I? I is, we saw 7 by 2 plus R whole square. This is the power absorbed by resistor. And this is some constant. Okay. Plus constant terms I am leaving. Why we will understand. 3 into I is how much? 7 by 2 plus R. Okay. Minus 9 by minus J. That is also a constant. Okay. What is my aim? I want to maximize this expression. Power absorbed by B. This whatever it may be. Okay. I want to maximize this expression. Means these are constants, so I cannot maximize these terms or minimize these terms. These do not come into the optimization, that is maximizing or minimizing. Therefore, leave those terms. So we want to maximize 49 by 2 plus R whole square into R plus 21 by 2 plus R. This is what we want to maximize. This is a function of R, let me say. How do you maximize this one? By differentiating. We want for what value of R. This is maximum. So df by dr is equal to 0. Which implies what? V square V du by dx minus u dv by dx. That is what I am using formula. Plus 21 into minus 1 by 2 plus r whole square. So this should be what? Equal to 0, right? 2 plus r I will take common in the numerator. Okay, you understood the simplification what I am doing here. Now cancel 2 plus r with 4 and it gave 3 and square and 3 gives 1. Therefore R is 56 by 70. 56 by 70 is how much we are getting? 0.8 ohm. Therefore this is 0.8 ohm. Therefore what did we get? 0.8 ohm, which is option A. For this value of R, maximum power is transferred from circuit A to circuit B. Okay. What did I do? From circuit A to circuit B, how much power is transferred? Therefore, power absorbed by the circuit B I calculated R and C and this voltage. But I understood that capacitor, for the capacitor, the power absorbed is constant. Therefore, it doesn't vary with changing R. Therefore, it need not be considered for optimization problem. Optimization problem is maximizing R for which power is transferred from A to B as maximum. Okay, this is the main thing. F of R you wrote, then df of R by dr equal to 0, then finally you will reach 0.8 ohm. Okay, this is a simple question.